You've probably heard of global warming, but have you ever wondered what the end game looks like? Floods, wildfires, droughts, extreme weather events that are becoming more frequent and intense. Global warming is often associated with rising temperatures and melting glaciers. But what does the end game of this process look like? Well, scientists are exploring scenarios that go beyond gradual change and examine the potential for catastrophic, irreversible impacts. They found that the endgame is defined by reaching climate tipping points, thresholds beyond which a small rise in temperature can trigger major changes in the climate system. For example, the melting of the Greenland ice sheet or the collapse of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation. Once one tipping point is crossed, it can trigger others in a domino effect, leading to a hothouse Earth state. And the researchers propose that the four horsemen of the apocalypse, famine, extreme weather, conflict, and disease, could define the climate endgame. As temperatures rise, agricultural regions could suffer catastrophic crop failures, leading to global food shortages. More extreme weather events such as heat waves, superstorms, and prolonged droughts would become more frequent and severe, displacing populations and causing widespread conflict over dwindling resources. And finally, the shifting habitats and changing climate could lead to the emergence of new diseases. The scenarios are stark, but the researchers argue that the risks of exceeding a 3°C rise are dangerously underexplored. The potential for societal collapse is not a fringe theory, but a valid, albeit low probability risk that we must consider. This isn't about predicting the end of the world, but about understanding the full range of possible outcomes to better inform policy and adaptation strategies. We need to move beyond short-term thinking and address the long-term risks that lie ahead. So what do you think? What actions are we taking to avoid these worst-case scenarios? Let's discuss in the comments below.